Today I'm coming in a different style. My name is Dennis Ison and welcome to landproperties.ng. Today I want to give you something amazing which I know you will like. And I just came to this Urban Prime 3 Annex to see the update. This is currently the update. Nothing much is going on in this estate, but it's still available. Currently it's going for 35 million per 500 square meter, and also we also have 300 square meter too. And it's actually in Ogombo. The road by the left goes to Ajah. It's not far from Adesanya. Some of the neighborhood around this houses is the Lekki Scheme 2, is the Adesanya estate. We also have the Chaplain Court, the Lagos Business School, the Caleb International School, the Atican Beach, which is close by. We also have the Lekki Beach, and we also have the very close by the Lofasi Nature Park close by. So these are some of the neighborhood in these houses, and currently this land is FC of O, and there's 500 square meter which is going for 35 million naira, and there's 300 square meter which is going for 21 million naira, and is also with just 3 million naira you can lock it down, then spread the payment. So there's option for payment which you can get, and the proximity to Adesanya is very good. So it's actually a very good one. Nothing much is actually going on. This is Urban Prime 3 Annex. I will show you around so I can see the current state, what is going on currently on the site. So let me take you around so I can see it yourself. The water opposite this land. Just look at this. Let me just take you inside so I can just see what exactly is going on. This is the current state of the land. So this is the environment. This is the environment. As you can see, that's just it. So it's actually going for 35 million naira per 500 square meter. So I can bring you here so I can see it yourself. It's actually a good buy. Is it a good buy? Yes. It's half C or full. So it's actually a good one. So I'm waiting for you. I'll bring you to this piece of art so that you can get your own and grab your own. You know, Langway are always full of surprises and full of several opportunities. So it's actually developed by Landway. So, but nothing much is going on the site currently. But it's actually a good buy because when they start, so many facility, you're going to benefit from it. So thank you. I'm waiting for your call. Let me bring you here. This Urban Prime 3 Annex.
I can help you get a genuine land in Lagos, Nigeria that will appreciate very fast and also prevent you from falling into land scam or land fraud. Contact me now.